fourth number carbon, so it is called as 1,4 addition, or it is also called as the Michael addition. Now in this reaction, first of all, this nitrogen having lone pair of electrons, and it will be access base or nucleophile, and into the acrolein there is a carbon carbon double bond, one pi bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on the second number carbon, so that this carbon it is electron rich and negative charge, this carbon it is electron deficient and positive charge. Now this nitrogen it is access the nucleophile, and it will be attack on the third number carbon atom which is electron deficient. Okay, electron deficient carbon, there is a nucleophilic attack by this nitrogen, and there is attachment of this structure. Okay, side by side this one hydrogen from the amino group, it will be abstracted towards this electron rich carbon atom. Okay, this CH becomes CH2 after the protonation, and we get the Michael addition product, that is this structure. It is called as the beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Now this carbon, it is carbonyl carbon attached to this carbon, it is called as the alpha carbon, and the next adjacent carbon to alpha, it is called as the beta carbon. Okay, now beta carbon, there is a presence of the aniline group. This is whole structure, it is aniline, so that it is called as the beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Now look at this structure remaining, one carbon, second and third carbon, so there is a three carbon, so it becomes propane. Now, but there is a presence of the aldehyde group, so it is called as the propionaldehyde. So all structure it is called as the beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Okay. Now look at this structure. Carbon oxygen double bond is present, so it is called as the keto form of beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Okay. So this is one tautomer, and they interconvertible each other at room temperature also. So this keto form converted into enol form, means keto means ketone group converted into enol. Enol means OH group. Okay. So there is a reversible type of reaction. First of all, carbon oxygen double bond breaks, lone pair of electrons shifted on more electronegative oxygen. This oxygen acquires the negative charge, and this carbonyl carbon acquires the positive charge because of electron deficiency. After that, the alpha carbon contains the alpha hydrogen. One alpha hydrogen, it will be added toward the electron rich carbon atom. Okay, so O become OH, and this CH2 become CH. Okay, now after the leaving of this hydrogen from this alpha carbon, it gives lone pair of electron on the carbon, so this carbon becomes electron rich, and this is electron deficient. So obviously there is a formation of the double bond. Okay, so there is a formation of double bond and formation of the OH group. So this structure it is called as the enol form of the beta anilino-propionaldehyde. Okay, this is about the step number 2. Now after that, next is step number 3. Step number 3, there is a reactions of this beta anilino-propionaldehyde to cyclylize intermolecular reaction. So we get the dihydroquinone. Let's see the step number 3. Now the next is step number 3, that is the resulting beta anilino-propionaldehyde cyclizes to form dihydroquinone. Okay. Now the beta anilino-propionaldehyde, it is the enol form which is formed into the previous step number 2. It cyclizes itself. It is called as the intramolecular cyclization, and there is a formation of dihydroquinone. Now after this reaction, we are very close to our final compounds. Look at the structure of the enol beta anilino-propionaldehyde. This is the enol form. Now in this reaction, there is a dehydration takes place. This OH group from this carbonyl carbon, and this hydrogen from the aniline aromatic ring, it is removed as water molecules. Okay, so that this OH group takes lone pair of electron towards itself, this carbon electron deficient, and this hydrogen give lone pair of electron toward the benzene ring. Okay, so that this carbon of ring, it becomes electron rich. Now there is a attraction between the negative and positive charge between the carbon negative of the aromatic ring and carbonyl and the carbonyl carbon of the enol form. Okay, positive negative ends will attract to each other, and there is a cyclization takes place. So we get the cyclic compound. It is called as the 1,2 dihydroquinone. Okay, why it is called as a 1,2 dihydroquinone? Because this is first number carbon, this is second number carbon. First number carbon hydrogen, second number carbon also there is a addition, hydrogen is present. So it is called 1,2 dihydro, di means 2 dihydroquinone. Okay, this is about the step number 3. Now after next is fourth number step, that is the dihydroquinone. It get oxidized in the presence of the nitrobenzene. Let's see. Now the last step, fourth number, that is the dihydroquinone is oxidized to